Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thanks for tuning in. So if you guys saw the previous videos, you already know what's going on. I want to make this video to specifically show everything that's been done to the car and talk a little bit more about it. I want to show a little bit more of the details because I know in the video where I revealed the car, I know I didn't, go up close to the car and show the little details. So I definitely want to show you guys so you guys get a better look at how great this car looks in my opinion. I am very happy with the way the car came out. Let's go show you guys here. Alrighty. Pretty nice weather going out right now. Good lighting, not bad at all. But here it is. Alright, so here are the wheels here. So as you can see, these are actually Folk Racing TE37 SLs. These are 18 by 9.5. So obviously we're gonna have to run a spacer here. So as you can see there, obviously we're gonna go with the best H&Rs, running a 25mm spacer there because that's what it needs in order to clear the calipers and look like it has good fitment there. Fitment's not bad at all, actually. I really like it. Very flush there. Sorry, the car is pretty dirty. I washed the car, they had it detailed and all that right before they revealed it to me. It was raining and that's what rain does, But here are the fronts. So the fronts was the ones that I was worried about, fitment. Those I wasn't worried about. I didn't have the car and then the wheels came in. I actually ordered these back in the first couple days of February 2023 and it didn't arrive until like May, June, I don't recall, somewhere around there. And I didn't have the car, of course. So I was like, you know what, I need to test them out. I want to see if they fit. And then took them, tested them out. They fit. They barely clear the caliper. Barely here. Can't really see there, but yeah, they barely clear. Honestly, didn't think they would, especially with this 10mm spacer here. I like the way that brings the car out here. Makes it come out look a little bit more aggressive, especially with the offset. This is actually the specs are very, very similar to the stock non-comp wheels. So yeah, 18 by 9.5, the offset's like 21, positive 21. It's awesome. I love it. I love the way this looks. Obviously there's some wheel gap there and we're gonna kill that wheel gap with some KW coilovers. Yeah, we're gonna do some coilovers. We're not gonna do the adjustable springs. I'd rather run that. It'll actually help with the car launching and all that good stuff in the back. Be able to put the power down better, and I won't have to worry about the longevity of the suspension as much as doing like springs or the high adjustable springs from KW. So that's that. The slip, this is a brand new one because it was damaged in the accident, but looks great just like the other one. And as you can see, here are the other changes. These here, CMST fenders, they were all carbon fiber. They all look like this all around. Got them paint matched. I think that was the way to go. Honestly, makes the car look more proper. Honestly, posted this on a Facebook group just to see what people thought. Most people on there weren't really a fan of the fenders. Some people were a fan of the hood, but yeah, most people didn't like fenders. I don't really care, I don't go on there to really care about opinions of all the boomers and all the casuals on Facebook. No disrespect, but people on there just have different tastes than on Instagram and all these other places. But it is what it is. It's my car. I do this for me. I don't do it for nobody else. But I just really thought people would appreciate something different because from what I know, I'm the only person with these especially paint matched. I'm the only person with these paint matched in Brooklyn Gray. If somebody else has a similar setup or has them paint matched like I do, like this, let me know. But from what I know, I'm the only person as of now. But especially with the hood combo, this is actually an Alpha N hood here. I was inspired by a lot of people, like a big one in the community, the drag racing G80 S58 community, S58 NYC. Inspiration to do this. From what I know, he was the first one, or maybe one of the first ones to do this here. Love the way his car looks. He also has like the Adro front bumper and stuff. Looks great. But yeah, that's where my inspiration came from. That inspiration from this, honestly, I don't recall where I got the inspiration. I just thought of it, but it's just a very common thing with a lot of aftermarket parts that I see on Lamborghinis, Porsches, kind of every car, you know. But I saw this fender for sale and I said, you know what, I'm gonna do that because I'm gonna need a fender anyways, and I really like how that looks. And then I had a vision and I went through with it, and I would do it over again. I really love the way the car looks, guys. Very happy, especially with the wheels. You know, a lot of people won't be a fan of the wheels either, you know. That's kind of with everything, you know, personal preference, opinions, but I love it. I hope some of you guys love it too. And yeah, it looks great. Definitely wanted to show you guys that. I want to show you guys, this is an Alpha N hood if I haven't mentioned that already. It's not a replica or anything like that. The way to know will be by popping this hood here. There's the power plant. Looks stock, but we're putting down over 800 horses on E85. So back to the hood. As you can see right here, exposed carbon. I believe this is Kevlar. You can see the Alpha N logo there. Looks absolutely amazing. And I forgot to tell the shop that I wanted this exposed to stay like that because I think this looks great, but they did it anyways. Very, very crisp paint job. Amazing work. If you're in the Seattle or even the Washington area or close, I definitely recommend you go with Vital Energy Motorsport for any of your aftermarket needs with anything like this, you know, insurance work, all that good stuff. They are true experts at what they do. When you close a hood like this, you got to be careful. You can crack it. It's very, very delicate. So let's get this. There you go. Perfect. A lot of people will not be a fan of this either, but I really like the way this looks. It just makes it look different. You know, there's no other car that I've seen, or other fenders, I'm sorry. There's no other fenders that I've seen have a different style here. They always have a similar style to, or if not the same style, they just have added, you know, vents, you know, stuff around here, and then something like this. But I think this looks absolutely phenomenal. I love it. Kind of makes the car from the front look like it has a little bit more character, you know. Here looks more sharp. Look, honestly makes it look a bit more wide, just a bit, you know. Actually, I think it does quite a. It's very, very significant actually. Hey.
When I see somebody I don't recognize and I didn't see a parking tab, I have to come and ask, hey, are you faculty member, so on and so on. If you come back, we'll be traveling.
Okay.
If you want to do that, that's going to be the case, okay?
Yeah, sounds good.
Okay?
Yeah.
So, please leave.
Yeah. Okay, that's what I'm doing. Yeah. All right, guys, so we had to move, unfortunately. Security guard came in, kicked me out. Had no idea that was private property, I guess. Open lot, nobody's there. Didn't think I was committing a crime or anything like that, but I guess I had to leave. Didn't seem like the security guard was having too good of a day, but I don't blame him. I mean, they probably don't pay him enough anyways. So back to what I was saying. So there was one more mod that I forgot about. You probably can't tell right now, but it is the paint match reflectors here. These are from IND. I think they're the only ones that actually make paint match reflectors that match so well like this, especially. But yeah, we got that. And we also got them on this side, of course. They look great, perfect match. And we also got some decals here. I believe I got these from Airflow Dynamics. This is a decal, blacks out the reflectors there, so they look a little better than the red for sure. Goes really well with the diffuser. The rear is completely stock other than the decals, of course, so we definitely need to spice things up a bit back here. Maybe something new like this, something more aggressive looking. I don't have a problem with that one, but we definitely want to show some love to the rear of the vehicle as well. So I think I'm going to leave the video off there, guys, but thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment on what you think about the vehicle, negative or positive. They don't hurt my feelings. I like to hear what you guys have to say. But I'm gonna leave the video off there, guys. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.